My dear friends, welcome to ArtMagic.
Drawing a Christmas bell can be a delightful artistic endeavor, perfect for celebrating the holiday season. To get started, gather your drawing materials, including paper, a pencil, an eraser, and colored markers or pencils for detailing. Begin by sketching the bell's basic shape. Draw a slightly elongated oval for the body of the bell and a smaller, rounded shape at the top for the bell's clapper or striker. Next, add details to define the bell. Outline the edges of the bell, giving it a distinct border and adding a curved line at the bottom for the opening. Include a horizontal line near the top of the bell to create the area where the bell's body meets the top loop. Enhance your bell by drawing a decorative design or pattern around its body. Designs include holly leaves, ribbon-like swirls, or simple geometric shapes. Refine your pencil lines, erasing any unnecessary marks, and then proceed to add color. Use vibrant shades of gold, silver, or red for the bell's body, and green or red for any additional decorative elements. Consider adding highlights or shading to give your bell a three-dimensional appearance. Remember, creativity is key. Feel free to personalize your Christmas bell with unique patterns, intricate details, or even additional ornaments hanging from its loop. Practice and patience are essential when perfecting your drawing skills. Don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. With practice, you'll refine your technique and create stunning Christmas bell illustrations. Enjoy the process of drawing this festive symbol and use it to adorn your holiday-themed cards, decorations, or artwork. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring. Christmas. Enjoy your time with your all friends and family.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.